Kia ora team and welcome back. I'm Reuben from Link Academy, and in this session we're going to be covering how to set up customer specific pricing for a product or group of products using Unleashed. Most industries we come across will have some form of customer specific pricing. It might be your high priority customers that buy a small range from you receive a price special to them on just that range or just that product. You might be in a commodity based industry dealing with high volumes where every time you make a sale you are negotiating the price with your customers and you're setting that for a date range. So if you're in those sort of industries, then this session is for you, and here's how we're going to do it. To get started adding customer specific pricing, we're going to go to Customers and then View Customers. And the trigger for this event will often be a customer visit or some conversation where we negotiate a price for a set period of time or for a set range of products or both. And so we've come back to the office and we want to make sure that Unleashed is updated with that price we just talked to the customer about, so that if they call up the next day or the same day and order that product, they will receive the correct price. Okay, so the way we do that, if we go to Jacaranda, it's Cash Customer. If we go to Jay's shop here, they're a wholesaler, and we've just gone out to visit Jay and negotiated with him some pricing on caps. So under Jay's shop here, this is the normal customer record. You got all the same stuff here would normally view, except on the far right we have customer pricing. There's a few different ways we can add this in, from the slowest through to the quickest. You'll notice we already have some in there. Let me just quickly delete those out for you. Cool. So if we've negotiated a specific price on a specific product, the quickest way is to add your product in here. So you might type in cap, for example. I think there's some infant caps in here somewhere. Here we go, blue cap. So discussed with Jay, and he wants a special price on this cap. One method is the default sale price here is $30. We might say $28. If we just leave that as is, then that's going to be the price indefinitely for Jay. Anytime he places an order for this product until the end of time, he's going to receive that price. However, some other options might be that we might say only if you order over 5 units at a time to incentivize him to order more. And we might put a cap or a date range on when this takes effect. So it could be some future date, only in the month of August, for example. Or it might be effective from today. Cool, and that will ensure that on that date, within that date range, when a order is placed for that specific product by this specific customer, as soon as we hit 5 units, he's going to receive that price. For anything less, 1, 2, 3, and 4, the default sale price will apply. So I'm going to click Add. So that's one method. As you can see, there's a lot of flexibility there, and some of the stuff is definitely optional. As a top tip, I would recommend always adding some sort of valid to, even if it's a year in advance. It gives you a good reason and a good incentive to revisit your customer and to renegotiate some of the pricing that you might have set a year ago, as product costs tend to increase. Cool. So that's one option. We might have add another product-specific item here. The cap, the pink version of the same product. Default sale price is $30, but instead of specifying a price, we're going to say it's going to be a discount. So it's always going to be 10%, always going to be a 10% discount on the default sale price. So if we update that, then the price that Jay here receives will also increase. So that's a percentage discount on that value, and we might apply the same rules. Minimum order of 5 and only valid, effective immediately, and valid to the end of August. And we might give this a name, August promo. Cool, so Jay might be running a promotion. So that's how we add it product by product. As you can see, it's quite slow, and if you've got any more than 20 odd products or 10 products, then you probably want a faster method, which I'm going to show you next. One more scenario I'll just quickly talk you through is adding a product group. So in this method, we wouldn't use this field here to add a specific product. We're going to add a range. So in my product group, if we discuss with Jay that all peanut butters he receives is going to receive a discount on, then we just select that product group. You'll notice the product there grays out because it will apply to all products in the group. If you need to exclude even just one peanut butter, you're going to need to add them manually or via a spreadsheet, which is what I'm going to show you next. So here under peanut butters, we're going to the percentage discount method is the most common method. We're going to enter a whole number. To provide a 10% discount on all off the default sale price of any product in the peanut butter group. We could put minimum order quantities on that, but not typically applied when it's a product group. But we would probably put a valid to and from on this one too. Cool. And we'll call that a end of season promo. Great. Fantastic. Cool. To see these in effect, you can test this out by going to create a sales order. You can do that from within the same screen using add order here or add quote. It will have the same effect. You'll notice the pricing apply to all quotes as well. Excellent. So here we're doing an order for a hypothetical order for Jay's shop, dated today, delivery to his Auckland store. Julie made the sale. He's via wholesale, and we're going to deliver it via national courier. Fantastic. So if we add in any peanut butter product, peanut butter classic here, we don't have a default price for that. Here we go. See how that changes color? If I say he wants 5 units. Now, normally a default price would apply here if we had a default price set up for this product. But see how it changes color? That's because if you hover over this little eye, you can see that the standard price, default sale price, is $0 there. But he is receiving a 10% discount, being a percentage price. So that's our indicator that that special price is applying. Cool. So not such a great example there, unfortunately, but that's all we've got in the peanut butter range. So let's add some caps to see that example. So we've got an infinite cap, blue, and if we add 1, you notice the price doesn't change. If we add 2, same deal, 3, 34, and the price will change. If we hover over this eye, you'll see that the default sale price for this product is 30, and that this customer is receiving customer-specific pricing, which has a date range on it if they order over 5. So it helps you negotiate. If you're on the phone with them, you can say, hey, if you order more than 5 or 5 or more units, then you're going to receive a different price on that. So you can do that in real time using that little eye icon there. So we'll change that to 5 units and click add. Great, so they're receiving a default on that. If we go to the pink product now, if we go 1, no change, 3, 5, they receive a 10% discount there. So that one there, you'll notice, has calculated $30 as the default price, and they're receiving $3 off that. Fantastic. Cool. And if you hover over any of these eyes inside the lines, you can see how those prices are calculated. Cool, we'll now save, pick, pack, and ship and invoice this product like normal. So what we covered there was how to add customer-specific pricing for a specific product and to a product group. If you stick around for the next session, I'm going to show you how to do exactly the same thing, but faster. So see you there.